Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we'll learn how to generate a research paper for academic purposes using Chatgpt. So, let's get started. First of all, access Chatgpt. For this example, let's say our research topic is the impact of social media on youth. Start by typing, write an introduction for the topic impact of social media on youth. Press enter, and Chatgpt will generate a well-crafted introduction for your research paper. Just wait a few seconds for it to process. As you can see, Chatgpt is providing a comprehensive introduction section for your topic. Next, we need to generate a problem statement for our research. Type, "Give me a problem statement on the above topic," and hit enter. Chatgpt will then provide a concise problem statement relevant to your research topic. Now, let's move on to research questions. Type "Give me the most important research questions on the above topic," and press enter. Chatgpt will suggest several research questions. Choose the ones that are most relevant to your study. After defining your research questions, we need research objectives. Type "Suggest research objectives for the above research questions," and press enter. Chatgpt will generate research objectives that align with your questions or hypotheses. Select those that best fit your research. Next up is the significance of the study. Type "Give concise significance of the study on the above topic," and hit enter. Chatgpt will provide you with a succinct explanation of the study's significance. Now, let's get a literature review. Type, "Give a latest literature review on the above topic," and press enter. Chatgpt will generate a literature review. Be sure to verify any references it provides to ensure they are authentic. Finally, we need to formulate the research methodology. Type "Help me to formulate research methodology for the above topic," and press enter. Chatgpt will help generate the structure for your research methodology, including research approaches and sampling techniques. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for creating your research paper. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.